Here are the answers to the K9 graph review. So first thing that's most important is check out the key. A picture of a ticket equals 10 tickets, so this would be 10. This looks like it's about 2 or 3 more, so that'd be a total of 12. Here's 10, 10, another 2, probably 22. 10, 10, 10. Looks like it's right down the middle, which would make 5. 35. This one's getting close to the end, either 8 or 9. And this one's close to the middle too, probably 10, 19. Tickets sold for Rapunzel, what was 9? How many tickets Snow White? 12. Goldilocks, 19. And by the way, like if you had 18 for Goldilocks, I'm probably going to take that also. Cinderella, 22. Tickets for Shrek cost $2 each. How much did it cost to buy all the Shrek tickets? There were 35, and they cost $2 each. That's going to get me to $70. Which play sold the most? Obviously Shrek. How many more? Many more minus. Rapunzel to tie Goldilocks. So we got a 9 and a 19. 19 minus 9 gets me to 10. Let's go over to the Valentines. We got 4. So if I cut down the middle, that would be 2. If I cut in the middle somewhere like that, that would be 1. There's my 2. And if I cut somewhere there, that's 3. So let's see. We got 4, 4, 4, and a 3. It's 15. 4 and a 1. That's 5. 4 and a 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 and a 3 is 7. 4, 8, 12, 13. 4, 8, and a half of 1 gets me to 10. Who got 5? That would be Beth. How many did Joe? Up at the top, 15. Who got 10? That would be Jane. Tom got 7. Who received the most? Out there would be Rex. 13 would be Ann. Rex and Sam are twins. How many did they get in all? So I got to find Rex and Sam. 20 plus 8 would be a 28. If Joe gave all of his to Beth, how many would she have? So Beth used to have 5. And then Joe's given all of his 15. 15 plus 5 would get me to 20. And how many more did Ann get than Jane? Ann got 13, Jane got 10. Many more minus. 13 minus 10 would be 3. Let's scroll. That was interesting. Well, why don't we just scroll up? Alright, we got a line plot coming up. If you check this line plot out, here are the games. These would be the X's are the teams that won. So how many teams won 4 games? Here's 4 games. There's 2 X's above it. That would be 2. Most of the teams won how many games? So the X's are teams. There's most of my teams are right there. Most of the teams won 3. Only one team, here's one team, won 5 games. 3 of the teams, there's 3. 3 of the teams won 0 games. None of the teams, there would be no teams, won 1 game. How many basketball teams were there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And blank of the teams won 2 games. So here's my 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the teams won 2. Down here we got favorite meat pizza topping. Which topping was chosen by the most? Definitely pepperoni. If sausage was chosen by 10, so if this piece is 10, how many people chose each of the other ones? Well, if I look over here, ham and bacon together is the same as sausage, so they're going to add up to 10. And it looks like it's split down the middle pretty evenly. So ham and bacon will both be 5. The top half of the pizza and the bottom half of the pizza should be the same, so 10 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. Means pepperoni is going to be 20. Did more people choose sausage or bacon? Just look and see which piece of pie of the pizza is bigger. And we got sausage. Moving on up. Okay, we're making a bar graph. And here's our information up here to put in the bar graph here. So we got Coke, root beer, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, and orange. And then we just look at our numbers. I got Got a 0 there, 5. So this must be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And since we're coming out to 16, that'd be about right there. There's my bar. Root beer's going to 13. That'd be somewhere about here. Sprite's only going to 8. Somewhere about there. Dr. Pepper 22. Be about right there. And orange 19. Really close to 20, but not quite there. Alright, then let's try some of these out. This particular bar graph also goes with these two questions up here, so I'm going to knock them out first. Who sold the most items? Got to be Lynn. Her bar's up the highest. Ann and Mayer's sisters, how many items did they sell in all? So I need Ann. Ann looks like about 38. May looks somewhere around 16, 17. I'm going to go for a 16. 16 plus 38 gets me to 54. And I would probably have quite a bit of wiggle room there. 38 definitely looks like a 38. The 16 could definitely be some other numbers. How many items did Pam sell? So the less than 30 looks like maybe 28. Who sold 17? May. So apparently at some point I thought May was 17. 33. Looks like Hal. And then over here, visitors to the museum on the line graph. From Tuesday to Wednesday, it went up. From Friday to Saturday, here's Friday, we're going to Saturday, it's definitely going down. Whoops. I said one thing and circled the wrong problem. Went down. Number of visitors from Wednesday to Thursday. Here's Wednesday, there's Thursday, it stayed the same. Which day did 165 show up? Well, here it'd be 150, would be right in the middle, so it's up a little bit above 150. It's got to be that one, Tuesday. Which day did 224 show up? So there's 250. 225 would be right there. Looks like Monday. Which day had the fewest? Saturday. How many more on Friday than on Saturday? So we got to find these two numbers. Friday looks like it's right in the middle of the 300 and 400 for 350. Saturday looks like about a 125. Subtract. Do a little borrowing. And I'm at 225. Move them up one more time. I think I got just a couple more problems down there. So here we go. We did who sold 33. We just got the last one. How many more did Hal sell than Sam? Hal was 33 and Sam looks like 11, 12, maybe 13. I'm going to go with 12. So I got 33 minus 12, which would be 21. Over here we got the last one. How many visitors were there on Sunday? So I'll bring the Sunday back. Halfway there would be 250. I could take 250. It looks like it may be a little bit higher. I'm going to go for a 260.